Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. So I was watching a video the other day from Pharaoh, a channel here on YouTube. He was out backpacking in the San Andreas mountain region. And he had made a steak sandwich, which I thought looked phenomenal. So I decided to go ahead and make one for myself because, yeah, it just looked really good. So let's get to it. Alright, so I guess I got a couple of these take and bake French baguettes. As soon as the oven's hot, I'm going to throw that in. Be about 8 minutes in the oven. I got some flat iron steak here. And I'm also going to do some beans and bacon, which I just realized I left in the fridge. There we go. Get a knife ready. I'm still waiting for my oven to preheat, but as soon as it's preheated, we'll be back. Alright, oven's heated up. Let's get the bread in. 8 minutes. Alright, while my bread is baking, I'm going to get my bacon going. Might as well go ahead and get this one going too. So I'm going to put bacon on the sandwich. I'm going to cook some in a little skillet here. Get it crisping up. So I'm going to do, I got a canteen cup here. And I'm going to do some beans with bacon. Timer just went off for the bread, so pull that out. Oh yeah. Set that right there. Let it chill out. Bacon crisp up already. While that's going, I've got some mushrooms here. I like mushrooms, so cut up, set them aside. Get that steak out. I'm not going to cook the whole thing. I'm only going to maybe use half of this. And just refrigerate the other half for either tomorrow, most likely, or the next day after that. Bacon is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the beans. Alright. Alright, bacon's looking good. Get that pulled off. Set it up next to the bread. I got my skirt steak here. There's a little salt. Not a lot because it's gonna be cooked in bacon grease. Flip. And it's smoky in here. Feeling good. Go ahead and pull it. I get my mushrooms going. Alright, the same pan. Use all that fat grease. Not a lot of salt, like I said. Need some garlic though. Man, it's smoky in here. Those are looking great. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat and scoot it off the burner. So I want my steak to rest a bit, so I'm gonna go sit down for a couple minutes and I'll be back. Alright, let's wrap this sandwich up and eat dinner. So I got an avocado, which I think would go really well on this. Alright, I got half of an avocado here. And then I've got one lime, or half a lime. And then I've got the bread. I think these take and bake breads are just kind of underrated. I think they're good. Alright. So on the bottom half of this, I'm gonna smear this avocado. Of course, it goes without saying, but if you want additional things on here, by all means, go ahead and add it. And then I've got this Best Food spicy mayo. Didn't want a lot, but and I've got some extra hot horseradish, which I'm going to open off camera. Horseradish, straight. I really like horseradish, so. And then we have the meat. Alright, I got my bacon. And when you're cutting steak, you want to cut it against the grain so it's the most tender. Well, how much would it have sucked if I knocked the whole thing on the floor? That would have been tragically awful. Get this steak. Spread out across the sandwich. Oh, and I forgot one more ingredient. Got my mushrooms. Alright, and now we put the top on. Oh yeah. I should do a close-up. There you go, one steak sandwich. Okay. Oh, I did forget something. I was gonna squeeze a little lime on it. Squeeze a little lime on top. It's Alrighty. Try the beans real quick. Beans with bacon. Should be delicious. Oh yeah. Try that sandwich. There you go. See if I can get a bite without making a huge mess. Tell you what, all those flavors together, phenomenal. I'm gonna go sit down and eat the rest of this and my beans too for dinner. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check below for Cast Iron Wednesday's playlist. Also JermsMRE's channel. And I'll try to remember to link Pharaoh's channel as well, so you can go check him out. I do want to thank you again for watching. Have a great rest of your week, the upcoming weekend. We'll catch you next time.